वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल अब्बास ऑफिशियली। तो आज की इस वीडियो के अंदर आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करेंगे कि आप लोग जो है अमेज़न एसोसिएट से जो है वो किस तरह से अर्निंग कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, तो अमेज़न एसोसिएट्स क्या है और इसके ज़रिए से आप लोग किस तरह से अर्निंग कर सकते हैं, ये हम आपके साथ डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं। तो वीडियो में आगे बढ़ने से पहले अगर आप लोग हमारे चैनल के ऊपर फर्स्ट टाइम आए हों तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और बेल नोटिफिकेशन को प्रेस कर दीजिए। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की इस वीडियो को। Amazon Associates, how to make money or as an Amazon affiliate. Would not it be nice to earn money every time you post about your emotional sport water bottle or that must read book you devoured in an afternoon? Here's the key: Amazon Associates, even if you are just starting out as an influencer, becoming an Amazon affiliate could be a great way to earn as you grow. Sound complicated? Don't worry, in this guide we will go over everything you need to know about the well-oiled affiliate marketing program that is Amazon Associates. Discover how to get started, how to post your recommendation, and how to reap the sweet rewards of your great taste. सबसे पहले देखते हैं Amazon Associates क्या है। Amazon Associates is an affiliate marketing program. It allows creators, influencers, and bloggers to monetize their reach. Participants called Amazon affiliates can earn a percentage of sales that come in through their recommendations when they post Amazon affiliate marketing links on their website or social channels. Anyone can sign up for Amazon Associates regardless of how many followers they have. Of course, the bigger your following, the greater your reach and the more commission you will make. Amazon influencer versus Amazon affiliate. What's the difference? The first thing you need to know, Amazon has a few different affiliate programs that fall under the Amazon Associate umbrella. Start by figuring out which one is best for your style of influencing. The standard Amazon affiliate program is best for those who run blogs and websites. It's also ideal for those who are still growing their follower base on social media. Plan to get most of your referrals through writing articles, blogs, or emails. Choose this option. If you have got a healthy following on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, or Facebook, then Amazon Influencer may be better for you. Amazon Influencer is an extension of Amazon Associate. It's designed for social media creators and influencers who already have a following. Amazon does not specify how many followers a creator needs to become an influencer, but we have heard of creators with less than 200 followers getting accepted and some with many more getting denied. If you would like to sign up, our best advice is to give it a try. You have nothing to lose. There is another big difference between Amazon influencers and regular affiliate. Influencers can build their own dedicated site on Amazon called an Amazon storefront. This is where influencers can showcase products in shoppable lists, photos, videos, and live streams. How does Amazon Associate work? Imagine if every time you recommended a product to a friend, you got paid to do it. That's what the Amazon Associates program is all about. Like something, tell your friends and make money. It's that simple. Sign up, determine what you want to promote, and then create affiliate links while you browse. Browse Amazon while logged into your affiliate account and you will see a toolbar called Site Stripe at the top of each page. The Site Stripe toolbar will generate links and photos for each page so you can easily share them to your website or social channels. Each link has a built-in code that tells Amazon the referral came from you. Paste it into your post, add it to your Amazon storefront, or use a link in bio. Amazon will track how many users visited the link and then made a purchase. Once they add the item to this cart, you will get credit as long as they make the purchase within 24 hours. How to become an Amazon affiliate? Number one step, sign up to become an Amazon associate. Start by heading over to Amazon Associate Central and clicking sign up. You can either use your existing Amazon account or create a new one using the email you associate with your website or social media channel. Add your website or social channels. The Amazon Associate sign up will take you through a series of prompts. You will be required to add your name, address, and phone number. You will then be asked to add your website and mobile apps. These are the websites where you will promote your Amazon affiliate links. Step 3, create your Amazon Associates profile. ठीक है, फिर Amazon Associate profile अपनी create करें, फिर add your tax and payment information. स्टेप 5 जो है वो ऑप्शनल है आपके पास। द हाउ मच कैन अमेजन एफिलिएट मेक, तो ये डिपेंड करता है कि आप लोग जितना काम करते हैं और जितना फिर वो अगर उसमें एफिलिएट लिंक से आपके हैं उसमें से कितने लोग जो है वो उस लिंक्स के ऊपर क्लिक कर रहे हैं, तो ये सारी चीज़ें। तो ये थी आज की वीडियो जिसके अंदर हमने बात की अमेजन एसोसिएट्स के हवाले से। तो उम्मीद करता हूँ आप लोगों को वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी। वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, हमारे चैनल अब्बास ऑफिशियल को सब्सक्राइब करें। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो के अंदर। टेक केयर।